Hello and welcome to our MechanizoKit video series. Today we are going to talk about a simple machine that is called a ramp. So, a ramp is a sloping surface that helps us move objects from a lower to a higher level or vice versa. It's like a gentle slope that makes it easier to push or pull things. Now imagine, for suppose if you had to lift something off the ground directly, would it be easier? Or would it be easier if you had to push it along an inclined slope and then lift it to a certain place? Yes, think about it. I think definitely the latter one is true and easier, right? For example, there are different types of inclined planes such as a skateboard ramp, slide, water slide, funnel, roof, road ramp. A ramp is like a tilted road or surface. It helps things go up or down without lifting them. It's like a gentle hill that things can roll or slide on. Yes, can you see? So it is like a simple machine that eventually makes our work easier. Lifting something heavy, such as a box, directly onto a higher surface can be quite challenging, as I already told you. But if you push it along an inclined plane, the work becomes much easier. So, how does a ramp make lifting things easier? So, let me know in the comment section. And what is another name for a ramp in terms of simple machines? Is it a rotating plane, sliding surface, inclined plane, or a curved platform? Please let us know the answers in the comment section. So, this is a practical problem that design a ramp model that can move a box from point A to point B. I'm sure you are all very creative and talented, and I'm sure that you will come up with a good solution. In conclusion, we studied today about what ramps are, what inclined surfaces are, and how we can move objects through these ramps to different levels. So they provide a gentle slope for pushing or pulling items, right? And then we studied about some real life examples as well. So I hope you understood this video. So just keep moving forward and learn something new every day. Thank you.